Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a DIY cute notepad. So let's get started. Take a paper of 8 by 20 in size. Mark 1 centimeter from the end in the bottom. Now draw a line where you have marked the centimeter. Fold the line inwards. Using a scissor, cut frills on the line. Draw and cut a drawing of your choice. Apply glue and stick it on the middle of the paper like this. Apply glue on the frills. Take a foam sheet and start sticking it into a round shape like this. To cover the bottom, take the same color of paper, mine is orange. To make the top part, cut a circle of any color of paper, cut and make the drawing you like and stick it on the top part. Make a handle for the cup. You will need two handles for the cup. Stick both of them together and then stick the hole on the cup. Now take several colors of papers. With a rounder, take any radius and cut a circle. After cutting many circles, start inserting the circles inside the cup. Our cute cup notepad turned out so cute. I loved it so much. I hope you all liked it. Until next time guys, bye. Thanks for watching.